Hello YouTube, dear lovers, subscribers of mine. My name is Dylan B. I'm back again with another Hungry Jack's review. So today I'm going to be reviewing the chicken tenders sauce. We call it tender sauce. So I got two flavors. So there used to be three flavors, but there's spicy mango jalapeno, Korean barbecue, and lemon pepper. So I'm not into lemons because it tastes very, very sour. So I got two of the tender sauce. So let's move on, shall I begin? So let's open up the box so you can see it. So this is Korean barbecue. In the other box there, that is the spicy mango jalapenos. So what I'm gonna have first? Do the thumbnail first. Alright, so let's give it a try, the Korean barbecue. Let's give it a try. Well, Korean barbecue tastes a little bit sweeter. It's only one thumbs up, but it's not two thumbs up. Alright, let's give it a try, the spicy mango jalapeno. The mango is so delicious, but I haven't tasted jalapeno. Oh, it gave me a kick now, a bit. It did give me a kick right now. Alright, let's give it a rating out of 10 with both of those tender sauces, fried chicken. So Korean barbecue, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. And the spicy mango jalapenos, I'll give it an 8 out of 10 because jalapeno is giving me a bit of kick. And also the Korean barbecue, it tastes a bit sweeter I thought it was. So that was me reviewing the tenders sauce review from Jack's Fried Chicken. If you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell on, write down comments below what you want to do next, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.